The Become an Alkaline Vegan course teaches you how to repair and rebuild your health using alkaline vegan nutrition and alkaline herbs. Want to learn how to raise pH levels in the body to improve health and reverse chronic health conditions? This course is for you. Want to learn herbalism to make and dispense your own supplements? Then this course is for you too. Would you like to earn $5,000 a month or more while doing so? Then the Become an Alkaline Vegan course is for you. And to help you understand just how powerful these healing methods truly are, I'd like to share with you my new book, Improve Your Health in Just 6 Weeks Through Alkaline Vegan Nutrition, free. Experience improved health firsthand before taking this course. Visit the link below to get this premium download now. I wish you all much success and improved health. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.